Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event.
Today we're diving into the latest GSA OASIS Plus rolling awards for unrestricted and small business pools. It's stirring quite a buzz in the federal contracting space.
Absolutely. OASIS Plus has been on everyone's radar. The rolling award approach is pretty unique for GSA contracts, right?
Yes, instead of a one-and-done award cycle, GSA is keeping the door open for new vendors to join. That's a big shift from traditional contracting.
What do you think is driving this change? Is it about increasing competition or something else?
I think it's both. GSA wants to boost competition and make it easier for innovative small businesses to participate, even if they miss the initial window.
That's an interesting point. For small businesses, the rolling pools lower the barrier to entry. But does it make planning harder for big players?
It could. Established companies might face more unpredictability since new competitors can join at any time. It keeps everyone on their toes.
Speaking of unpredictability, how do you think this affects teaming strategies? Are we going to see more joint ventures forming?
I'd say yes. The flexibility encourages contractors to team up, especially if they want to fill capability gaps quickly. It's like forming an Avengers squad every few months.
Assembling a superhero team to tackle federal projects. But seriously, do you think the rolling awards speed up or slow down the procurement process?
That's debatable. It could speed things up for some, since you don't have to wait years for the next on-ramp, but the ongoing evaluations might stretch GSA's resources.
True. And I wonder how GSA will manage quality control with a constantly evolving pool of vendors.
Continuous vetting is going to be crucial. If they let standards slip, the whole program's reputation could suffer.
Another thing, does this make it harder for agencies to choose vendors? The list keeps growing, so decision fatigue could become real.
Right, too many choices can sometimes be overwhelming, but it also means agencies have more specialized options for different projects.
Do you think the small business pools will see a surge in participation, or are there still too many hurdles for newcomers?
I expect a surge. The rolling nature is a strong incentive, but compliance and proposal requirements remain challenging for first-timers.
That's fair. Even with open doors, the paperwork mountain isn't going anywhere.
No kidding. I've seen proposal checklists longer than my grocery list for the month.
If only writing proposals burned as many calories as grocery shopping, right?
We'd all be in great shape. But jokes aside, do you think this model is here to stay, or is GSA testing the waters?
I suspect it's a pilot of sorts. If it works, we might see rolling awards become the new norm in government contracting.
That could change the landscape completely. Imagine a world where every contract vehicle is always open for new players.
It would certainly reward agility. Contractors would need to stay sharp and responsive at all times.
Exactly. No more resting on your laurels after winning a seat. Complacency could mean losing out to new entrants.
Do you see any risks with this approach, beyond just administrative headaches?
There's always a risk of overwhelming the system or diluting quality. Also, some small businesses might get lost in the crowd.
On the flip side, it could democratize access to federal contracts, making the market more dynamic.
That's the hope. More innovation, more diversity, better results for agencies.
If you were advising a small business, would you tell them to jump into OASIS Plus now or wait and see?
I'd say jump in if they're ready. The rolling window is a rare opportunity, but preparation is key.
Preparation really is everything. No one wants to be caught scrambling at the last minute.
And staying informed is half the battle. The federal landscape is always shifting, and OASIS Plus is just the latest curveball.
Well, whether you're a contracting veteran or a newcomer, the message is clear. Stay agile, stay prepared, and keep an eye on those rolling awards.
Exactly. And with that, we'll wrap up for today. What do you think? Will rolling awards become the new standard? Let us know your thoughts.
A special thank you to MarketUS.com for furnishing us this information. You can reach them at MarketUS.com or call them at 954-636-3232. Before we go, this deep dive was created by the MarketUS.com team. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. It's right below the subscribe link.